How do we get rid of cravings? Una muna, we have to understand bakit ba tayo nagki-crave. Alam mo ba na ang cravings is your way or your body's way of telling you na may kulang. Ano ba ang dapat kinakain natin? Of course, dapat ang kinakain natin ay rich in fiber, vitamins, minerals, complex carbohydrates, and protein. And kung ang kinakain natin tuwing nagki-crave tayo, wala to, nako, nagiging vicious cycle siya kasi kumain ka, wala yung kailangan niya, manghihingi siya ulit. Tama? So for example, ako, every time I would crave dati, I would eat chips. Eh di ba wala namang protein, complex carbohydrates, vitamins, minerals sa chips. So, panandali ang satisfaction, but then, bukas, magkikrave na naman ako kasi nanghihingi na naman yung aking katawan. So, what is the key to stop cravings? The key is to focus on eating complete balanced meal. Number 2, focus on what your body needs. And kasama dyan, hindi lang complete balanced meal, kundi hydrate well as. Kailangan din na meron tayong 3 to 4 liters of water a day. And alam mo ba, mas lumalakas ang cravings pag masyado mong tinitiis yung hinihingi niya. And also, malala ang cravings pag tayo ay laging nagpupuyat kasi depleted din ang sustansya natin pag tayo ay laging puyat. So are you looking for a wellness coach that will guide you on proper weight management? DM me for free consultation.